ยังคงมีรักเธอเป็นแสงนำไปในคืนที่ลงทางนาทีที่ความฝันนั้นพร้อมเป็นเพื่อนตาย
If you made it this far through the Exploring Thailand series, thank you for watching. Here we actually are on our last couple of days in Phuket, Thailand, and luckily enough our friend's family hooked us up with a boat tour from the resort. Here you see us standing over the sunken seating area that overlooks the pool and then the ocean just right next to it. We're getting ready for the day. Alright, documenting the 6-kid Jay Perna family.
Yeah.
3 adopted.
Why not? Mom in the back.
Nice boat. Angela, you're going the wrong way, Angela.